Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize X, Twitter, login verification and authorized sessions control, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process for X login verification, start by opening the X app on your device. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon located in the top left corner. Select Settings and Support from the drop-down menu. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, locate and click on Security and Account Access. Now, choose Security. Here, you will find the option for two-factor. You will see three options for two-factor authentication: text message, authentication app, and security key. Select your preferred method for authentication. If you choose text message, enter your phone number and click Send Code. A verification code will be sent to your phone. Enter the code in the provided field to confirm your number. If you opt for an authentication app, follow the instructions to link the app to your X account. Scan the QR code displayed on your screen using the authentication app. Once linked, the app will generate a verification code. Make sure to enter the code on the X app to finalize the setup. After you complete the two-factor authentication setup, return to the security menu. Now, let's check the authorized sessions. Click on Apps and Sessions to see devices currently logged into your account. Here, you can review all authorized sessions. If you find any unfamiliar devices, select Revoke Access next to the session. Confirm your choice to ensure the session is no longer authorized. This will help secure your account by limiting access. If you want to stay updated on devices logging in, consider enabling login alerts. You can find this option in the security section as well. Simply toggle the option to receive notifications for new logins. Now you have successfully set up your X login verification and managed your authorized sessions. For added security, consider reviewing your account settings regularly. This ensures your information remains protected and your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.